It's late, so apologize for the darkness. Approaching the front door of Ladoga. Troy will remove all the trim, all the lighting, all the tile floors. The entry is about 4 by 4. All the base, all the top and bottom trim will get removed. All the window coverings will get removed. This is the front room. Pull this floor furnace out. This glass will get removed in the back, on this back wall, this mirror, as well as the chandelier. All the flooring in the kitchen will get removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Approximately 15 feet by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, by 8 feet. Microwave, stove, a little bit of kitchen counters. The ceiling has this weird T-bar deal going on. In the back room, a little interesting here. You can see we've got this plywood on the walls, cedar, and behind it is wood paneling, so you'll pull it all the way down to the studs. Remove the wall covering here. That's the fireplace we talked about from the inside. Okay. This is the small restroom off to the side. And in here we'll pull, you'll probably leave the toilet, but you'll pull the shower and the sink out. Just a little tiny restroom, and the tile behind you'll pull out as well. All the tile on the walls, down to bare studs to make it easier, all the way up to the ceiling. We'll remove this fan and install a new fan. Over here we'll just pull out these shelves and the wall coverings and the lights above. Okay. In this restroom, same thing, we'll pull out the tile. Tile is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, approximately 8 feet by 3 feet, and then over here by 4 feet. So we'll pull that out. The pedestal sink will get salvaged. The toilet will get removed. All these fixtures, everything else comes out as well. The shower will get demolished in its entirety down to studs. All doors and jambs in the entire building, entire house will come out. That closet, that little closet at the end will stay. Okay, so all these door jambs will come out. In this room, which is typical of others, ceiling fan gets removed, the top trim, bottom trim comes out, all the wall coverings. And the casing on this door will come out, but the pocket door will remain. Come out. Okay, here's another bedroom here. This is your favorite color, Troy. Big, nice big window. All the trim around the ceiling and the floors. The wood floors will remain. We're just refinishing them, so you don't need to take any of the wood floors out. Ceiling fan and all the door jambs and casings will come out. This is the last room. Closet doors will come out. Jamb will come out. Wall coverings or window coverings will come out. wherever that shelf is will come out. Ceiling fan, come out. And we're back in the front room where we started. Okay. I'm gonna head to the back. If I can't see, I'll just shoot some photos of this to you. Every room has air conditioning units. These will all come out. This water heater will be removed as well. And you can't see it, but there's the fireplace that we're removing. And this is a shed, which will get removed. It's just corrugated metal over, like looks like electrical pipe almost, real thin pipe. And there's a spa here, which you probably can't see very well. So we'll remove the spa at the same time. It's in pretty good condition. And all of this corrugated panels, there's plastic, really light gauge panels that I have to unscrew from the walls. And remove. Looks like 10-foot panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's just 100 feet of panel, and they're all just screwed on the wall there into studs. And that is the extent of your demo.